guys, let's paint and play with CD. Hey guys, let's draw a cute cat. Make the sketch first. Yay! Draw the lines with a black marker. Wow!
Little red wagon painted blue. Little red wagon painted blue. Little red wagon painted blue.
Let's paint with red. Wow! Let's paint with light pink.
Lost my partner, what'll I do? Lost my partner, what'll I do? Lost my partner, what'll I do? Skip to my Lou, my darling. Skip to my
Paint with blue. Wow! Let's add some glitter.
Off to Texas 2x2.
Apply the glue first.
Off to Texas 2x2. Skip to my Lou, my darling.
Spread the glue with a small brush. Spread some white glitter. Wow!
Partner, what'll I do? Lost
Try the same process.
Lost my partner, what'll I do?
Yay!
Darling.
Looking beautiful. Meow, meow. Wow! So cute cat. Leave it for dry. Wow! It's complete. Thanks for watching.